If you have bad credit, securing a personal loan can seem daunting. But don't worry. There are options available that can help you overcome financial hurdles. Personal loans often provide lower rates than credit cards, making them a viable alternative for unexpected costs or debt consolidation. We've compiled a list of the best personal loans for bad credit. Let's break it down. First, it's essential to assess your credit score. Understanding where you stand gives you clarity on which lenders you might qualify for. Next, consider the types of loans available. Secured loans may require collateral, making it easier for some individuals to secure funding, even with poor credit. Now let's explore some top lenders. Lending Club stands out as our best overall option, offering a straightforward application process and competitive rates. Loan amounts range from $1,000 to $50,000, with funding as fast as 1 business day. Opportun is excellent for secured loans. It provides both secured and unsecured options, and funding is done quickly. For those wanting simplicity, Lending Point offers an easy application experience with loans between $1,000 and $36,000, with funding as soon as the next business day. Upstart shines in customer satisfaction, offering loans from $1,000 to $50,000, with fast funding and strong customer support. Avant provides low rates, accepting loans of up to $35,000 with funding typically within a day. Prosper allows co-applicants, helping borrowers enhance their chances of approval and securing better loan terms. Best Egg offers customizable payments, ensuring flexibility as you manage your loan obligations. Finally, Upgrade gives you the most flexible terms with loans from $1,000 to $50,000 and repayment periods up to 84 months. While exploring these options, remember the pros and cons of bad credit loans. Benefits include flexible funding and fast approval, but risks include higher rates and fewer options. To summarize, when applying for a loan with bad credit, first check your credit score, gather necessary documents, and pre-qualify with lenders. Compare offers based on rates, terms, and fees to make an informed decision. Ready to take control of your finances? Explore your options and apply confidently for a personal loan today.